Hello everyone, this is Shubham Singh and my idea is related to sign language known as Motalk. I got this opportunity to be the part of this I4TS program. The program supported me on every step of my entrepreneur journey and connected us to mentors and experts on this field who constantly trained and monitor us to nurture our idea. It was one of the most informative and interactive lessons. The program taught us creativity, improvisation, and ideation. The program also talked how each attribute and domain could be inspired and evoked both individually and within a team. These respective attributes, I believe, are among the most significant factors that an individual and a team can possess for aspiration to progress in business world and real life too. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Thank you for everything.
My name is G. Krishnakant. I am a participant of Task I4TS Innovation for Telangana State since 2nd December 2020, on which I4TS has commenced Entrepreneurship Mindset Development Program, which is a very nice program in which different entrepreneurs came forward to teach us what entrepreneurship basically mean and what are the basic things that a student or a youth of Telangana should know about entrepreneurship. Then I was further continued with I4TS Ideathon, in which a separate entrepreneur was assigned to me as a mentor to help me in developing my innovative idea. Then I was further selected for I4TS EDP Entrepreneurship Development Program, which is approximately 3 months program, in which experts like Shruti Madam, Anusha Madam, and different experts will teach how to develop our idea, starting from the problem identification and finally MMC and idea pitch. Everything was very neat and clean. The way of explanation is very interesting and very nice. Students even of Telugu medium background can understand what experts are explaining about entrepreneurship, and not only helping the students with their programs, but also they are provided us assignments. They have provided us templates to make my work easy, and along with this, I4TS team was available for all the students almost all the time. So they are very supportive. They have guided, motivated, encouraged, and inspired students in entrepreneurship journey. So I would like to thank them from bottom of my heart. Thank you, I4TS. Thank you once again.
Thank you to the team of I4TS Task for initiating such great program of EDP sessions for 12 weeks. All these 12 weeks we have gained so much knowledge. I am Vaishali Pallarla from team Go Safe. We are working on the idea of installation of sanitary napkin vending machines in public places. I am partnered with Vaishnavi. All these weeks, all the sessions has helped carving our idea into a better shape. Over to Vaishnavi.
Right from identifying the problem statements, picking up the inputs for the mission model canvas, all these activities helped us in gaining the useful insights for our project development. Thank you, the team I4TS Task.